Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is Cambridge Primary Mathematics Book 3 and I am Asiya Hassan. And today we will be starting from page number 16, and if you have any queries about previous pages you can see my previous videos for reference or for learning. Okay, so this is page number 16. We'll start from this page today. Compare these numbers and complete the sentences. It is very easy. 4 is written as at hundreds place, 5 is written at fives place, tens place, and 8 is written at ones place. So the number is 458 and the next number is 643. Now they are saying compare these numbers. So which number is greater? 643 is greater than 458 and 458 is less than 643. Got it? There are two sentences and they separated the sentence with the word and in it. They separated the sentence with the word and in it. 643 is greater than 458 and 458 is less than 643. Let's move on to next one. It is the same thing, 475 and 472. So which one is greater? 475 is greater than 472. 475 is greater than 472. And then we can say that 472 is less than 475. This C one is easy. I hope you can do it. Now question number 3. Order these numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay. Now the students are in grade 3. We will ask the students to start comparing the numbers with the hundred side first. You need to see there is no 100 in it and there is 5. Okay, first we will see the hundreds. 600 is greater, so now we will compare 600 and 621. Which number is greater? 679 is greater, and then 621, and then 563, 500, and then we will come to 400, 475, and then last number is 38. But they said that started from smallest to greatest. By mistake I started it from greatest to smallest. Okay, so we will reverse it. Smallest number is 38 and then 475 and it is 563. This one is 621 and then 679. Okay, let's go to next page. It is order these numbers from greatest to smallest. Now in this we have to order the numbers from greatest to smallest, and it is the easiest thing. I hope you can do it. But for the students and for their understanding, tell them to start comparing the hundreds first. Okay, mark the numbers in question number 4 on the number line. Okay, now how to mark these numbers? First, this number is 48. Where will we mark it? It is, see, what is half of 100? 0 and 100. Half of 100 is 50. So 48 is a little bit before 50. So we will mark it here, very close to 50. Here, 48. Okay. Next number is 834. 834. 850 would come exactly in the middle. and it will come, this is the middle point, and 434 will come a little bit before 50. 834. Okay, so this is 438. It will be here 438 and 384. 84 is greater than 50, so it would be close to 400. More close here, 384. And now this number is 483. 483 here, it will be close to 500. This one would be 483. Okay, now we will move on to question number 6. It is written, estimate the value of each number marked on the number line. Okay, estimate is a sensible guess. We are not going to give the exact number. Okay, so since it is in the middle of 100 and 200, so it would be 150. And when it is in the middle of 300 and 400, it is 350. And here it will be 850. Okay, complete these inequalities. Inequalities means the numbers are, whether they are greater or smaller than each other, they are not equal. When the sign is this is equal, is equal to, or uh, then we can say that these are equalities. Okay, now we have to complete these inequalities. Okay, so it is, we have to do this. 263 is greater than what? 262. Or you can write any number that is less than 263. Now is it clear? 262 is less than 263. Okay, now 671 is less than, and 672 is greater than 671. You can write any number, even you can write it 8 here, any number that is greater than 671. It can be 947 or any other number. So for students, writing very next number would be very much easier for them. Okay, any number that is greater than 457, that is 458. And here we will write, what will we write? Tell me in comment section. I'll check your answers and I'll comment you that are you correct or not. Okay, now here it's written, think like a mathematician. Use these numbers and symbols to make these correct statements. Okay, 234, 243, 243 and 278, these numbers. Find a different way to do it. Okay, so let's do it. They said that we have to compare the numbers by using these signs. First we'll pick the equality sign because these two numbers are equal. Okay, we will write 243 is equals to 243. Okay, now other number, 278, 278 is greater than 234. We have used this and this as well. Now we have used equality sign and we have used greater than sign. Now we have to use less than sign. I'm writing it here now. with less than sign, and we have two numbers. We will write 278 at less than side and 287 at greater than side. Please excuse my handwriting, it's difficult to write on the screen. Okay, look what I can do. Ask the students if you can use greater than or less than symbols, or if you can read the digits up to 1000, or if you can order the numbers from smallest to greatest. Here is a tip for all the students in grade 3 or in grade 2 as well. Keep practicing your addition and subtraction skills. Please keep practicing your addition and subtractions. Mothers are requested to give questions to your kids like 247 plus 50. It will improve their counting in tens, and then 310 minus 40. Give them questions like this to the students of grade 3, and if the student is in grade 2, then give them like this: 28 plus 20. Don't take them in hundreds if the child is in grade 2. Okay, so keep tell them to keep practicing these addition and subtraction skills, and then uh, maths will become easier for them. Okay, so in this box, estimate how many spots are there in a box. It is estimate. We can say that maybe it is 450. It is just an estimate, no need to count them. Okay. Now we are on which page? 19. Okay. Class 3 used this table to check their estimates of number of beans in different plastic bags. Number of beans, 100, 100 beans, and the mass of the beans is 100 grams. Means 100 beans are equal to 100 grams. 200 beans, 200 grams. 300 beans are 330 grams. 400 beans is 40 grams. Okay, Marcus estimated that his ball had 400 to 500 beans. They weighed 56 grams. Is this a good estimate? Okay. 400 to 500 beans. Let's see. 400 to 500 beans. He has 400 to 500 beans. So beans should be in 40 to 50. And he is estimating that he has 56 grams. Is this a good estimate? No, it is bad. It should be in between 40 and 50. Zaira estimated that her plastic bag had 200 to 300 beans. They weigh about 24 grams. Is this a good estimate? Yes, 200 to 300. 200 to 300 means 20 to 30. So 24 grams is a good estimate. It is in the range. Aaron's beans weighed 78 grams. What range would be a good estimate for his beans? 78 grams. And what range would be good? 78. See? 78 grams. So 78 grams is somewhere between 70 and 80. So his range is 700 to 800 beans. 700 to 800 beans. Round each number to the nearest 10. Okay, rounding the number to the nearest 10 means that you must have a zero at the end of the number. 10. 10. Like if the number is 349, it should be 350. Okay? You must have at least 10 at the end. It means you are rounding it off to tens. But if you are rounding it off to hundreds, then it will become 300. Rounding off to hundreds means you should have at least two zeros at the end. At least two zeros at the end. Okay, so here they said that we have to round it to the nearest 10. So it will become 120 because it is less than 25. It is greater than 75. So it will become 680. It will become 390. It will be 910. 740 will be written as it is, and 598 would be 600. Let's go to this page. Round each number to the nearest 100. Now they are saying round these numbers to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 means you should have at least two zeros at the end. So we will see two digits. If it is less than 50, we will make it as 100, and if it is last two digits are more than 100, then we will jump to next 100. So it is more than 50, we will write 700. 85 is again more than 50, we will write it as 400. We are jumping to next 100. It is less than 50, so it will be 900. Less than 50, it is 700. Greater than 50 or too close to 600 already. Okay. If the numbers in question 3 and 4 were dollars, grams, or kilograms, could you round them to the nearest tens and hundreds? Dollars, grams, or kilometers? Yes, we can do it. It is the same thing. Okay, which numbers in question number 3 and 4 rounds to the same number? When rounded to the nearest 10 and to the nearest 100. Okay, see, when we are rounding a number to the nearest 10, when a number is written already with 10, so we don't need to round it off, like 740 here. See, they are telling you here a number rounded to the nearest 10 and nearest 100 is a multiple of 100. Okay? Sophia includes this in her number list. If she has to round the numbers to the nearest 100, then it is correct. Complete these pieces, which are from question number 1 to 1000 number grid. It is very easy. I think you can do it, but let's just have a quick look at it. I'll do only one from it. When we will go to left hand side, it will be 764 and it will be 766. When we will go up, we will count in tens, like 756, 746, and downwards it is 776 and 786. Counting in tens. And left to right is counting in ones. Top to bottom is counting in tens. 764, and it will become here 754, 744. And in the middle, if you want to check, you can see that 745 is in the middle. What is the value of ringed digit? It is again very easy. 7 is written at ones place. 7 is here, it is written at tens place, and 8 is written at hundreds place. Do the rest and tell me in comment section. Round to the nearest 10. 2, 30. And if we have to round the same number to the nearest 100, it will be 200. For rounding to the nearest 10, we will see the last digit only, one digit, because we need 10. And if we need rounding to the nearest 100, we need to see last two digits, because we need two zeros. I hope it's very much clear to you. Now addition is so easy. I think you don't need help in it. Okay. uh, it, but let me just tell you how to do this thing. This is, in this part you have to add 43 and write the numbers exactly at the same position of the next box, like 11 plus 43. 11 plus 43 will give you 54. Here it was in the first box, here I have written it in the first box. That's it. Okay. Number 2. Choose a number from the second jar of the numbers to subtract from the jar, from a number in the first jar. Okay. So pick a number from here, 97, and subtract 53. They didn't say us you have to follow the order. You can pick any number or subtract any number, like 76 minus 50, you can do it, but you have to use all the numbers. It means you have to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 sums. You will make 8 sums in all. So it is subtraction and you'll get 40. Bruno buys a t-shirt of 16 US dollars and 95 cents. How will we write 16 dollars and 95 cents? It will be written as 16.5 dollars. Which banknotes and coins would he pay with? Oh, it is 95 cents. I have written 9 cents only. 95 cents. Which banknotes and coins would he pay with? He can pay with $20, $20 in all, and will receive the pay. Will get the change back. Here it is written, find a different way to pay. Okay, if you don't have $20, you can pay with 5 dollars coin, $5 coin, and again $5 coin. It will make 15, and then $1, 16, and then again give them $1. It will become 17, but in this case they will return you 5 cents. Let's remove this, and in this case they will return you 5 cents would be returned. Okay, what is this question? You add and subtract every day for lots of different reasons. You also add and subtract with money to find out if you have enough money to buy things and how much change will you get. Do I have enough money to buy the football shirt and the socks? Will I get any change? Okay, it is like football shirt, a football, a shirt, and socks. So football is 70, a shirt is 38, and socks is 9. You'll add it in your mind. 17, 11, $117. So you'll check in your pocket, do you have $117? Or if you have $120, then how much change will you get? You'll get 3 as a change. Change means what you will get back in return after paying your bill. Okay, so we have done till page number 23. We'll do the rest in next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.